Hi everyone. So in today's video, today's live session, we are going to solve a palindrome number problem in LeetCode. So I thought of before solving a question, we'll go through ChatGPT and explain the logic of the every question we'll be solving. So so it will be like a, a good understanding of the question we'll be solving. So yeah, that's so I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to explain the logic of palindrome number. So so what is a palindrome number? The palindrome number is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. So palindrome number or palindrome string is when you reverse the digits from the beginning or uh, like suppose this is 1 to 1. Then if you reverse 1 to 1, then you'll all in this case you'll get 1 to 1 only. So if, after reversing the digits of a number or a string, if we get the same number or same string, then we call it as a palindrome number or palindrome string. In this case also, if we reverse 1331, it will be 1331 only. For 7 also, for 0 also. But 1 to 3 will be 3 to 1. So 1 to 3 if reversed will be 3 to 1. 1 to 0 if reversed will be 0 to 1. 1 0 if reversed it will be 0 1. So we'll have a step-by-step logic to check palindrome number. So how to check whether number is palindrome number? So let's say we have an input is num. Then first step we need to do is store the original number in a variable. Original is equal to num. So we'll store the original number in variable. Initialize a variable to store the reverse number. So we'll initialize the number to store reverse number. Loop with num is greater than 0. So what is saying loop while num is greater than 0 and get the last digit using digit is equal to num mod 10. So if this is the digit, we'll loop while this number is greater than 0. So we have stored this number in a variable original. So we'll get the digit using num mod 10. Yeah, fine. So first digit will be 1 in this case, and the reversed will reassign as reverse times 10 plus digit. So we'll just multiply reverse with 10 and store the digit. Remove the last digit. Then we'll divide the number by 10. So since this digit is captured, we'll divide the number by 10. So first digit, this is the first digit. So when we divide by 10, it will be just 12. After the loop, compare original and reverse. So if this process completes and this logic is implemented, then if the original and reversed are equal, then we can call it as a palindrome. Otherwise, it's not a palindrome. So yeah, for this 1 to 1, we'll get one. Will when we do mod 10, we'll get 1. So we'll do 0 times 10 times 10 because initially our reverse number is 0 plus 1. So we'll get 1 and our number will be divided by 10. So it will be 12. In step 2, we'll get 1 times 10 because the reverse number is 1 in this case. and we'll get the mod 10 of 12 will be 2. We'll get 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Our number will be divided by 10, it will become just 1. Then will our reversed will be 12 times 10 plus 1. 120 and number will be 0. So this case will have 121 equal to no, so it's a palindrome number. So this is the logic of solving a palindrome number. So if there is string, then we can have a character array and we can like solve the uh, reverse the characters or compare the characters from front and end, and we can say it's a palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So the reversed will start with 0, a number is equal to x. So we are getting asked. So given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So we have already discussed this example 1 2 1 1. So in our example, then number can be a negative also. As you see, we can have x is one negative number. So we need to again say if x is less than 0, return false. Um, so we have for the negative numbers case, because if you see that if we reverse 1 to 1, we'll get 1 to 1, but there will be negative from this side. So we are just solving for numbers, not string. So num is equal to x. So we'll have like while our number is greater than 0. So reversed will be reversed times 10, but we have to first take out the digit. Digit is num mod 10, and we'll have to divide our number by 10. So if our reversed is equal to x, return true, otherwise return false. So true is like caps T. Yeah, return false. So this is the solution. So let's test this one. So our solution is accepted. Let's submit this solution. solution is also accepted. So, as we discussed in this example, so this is the actual steps that is being performed. So let me copy this one. So we are finding whether a number is a palindrome number. Uh, so our original number was 1 to 1. So what we did, which we stored, like we have taken this example 1 to 1. So we will be given this input x. So from our description, we can have negative numbers also. So if you see the constants, we can have negative number also. So to eliminate the negative numbers case, we just given return false. So reverse is equal to so even if if you reverse this 1 to 1, you will get 1 to 1, but there is a negative sign, so it becomes a negative sign. So fine. Our this negative case is eliminated from this one. Then reverse is equal to 0, num is equal to x. So why we use these steps, assign these variables. So we are initializing a reversed variable with 0. And just to take a reference of, we have stored the x value in the num. So when because at the end we need to compare the reversed with x also. So we need to have a value stored somewhere, or better we didn't change x, we just assigned the x value to num. So now the logic is will keep on checking while the number is greater than 0, and we'll take the first digit by doing the mod 10 of the number, and we'll reassign reversed with the current number which is there in the reversed times 10. Every time we'll multiply by 10 and store the digit, add the digit, and then we'll divide the number by 10. So this will be the actual steps. Step 1, digit is 1, reversed is 0 times 10 plus 1. So which will be equal to 1, and number will become 12. Then in step 2, digit is 2, because of num mod 10, 12 mod 10 is 2, and reversed will be 1 times 1 times 10, which is the reversed value. The last reversed value is 1 times 10. So reversed was last was 1, and we'll multiplying by 10, and then adding the digit. Digit is now 12 mod 10. This is the last digit. Mod 10 is 2. So we are getting num is equal to 1. Num1, where from where we are getting by dividing by 10. So these three steps together, after the last step, the number will be greater, means is equal to 0, because 1 divided by 10 will be 0. So we'll get this 1 to 1 is equal to 1 to 1 in the comparison. Like when this loop is executed, we'll compare reversed is equal to x. So we'll get this step, and we can return it is a value. So we are returning true, and if it is not the case, we are returning false. So this is the actual solution. So yeah, today was Sunday, so I didn't solve the next hard question, like the number 3 question. So yeah, fine. We'll solve this in this pattern only. We'll explain the logic in ChatGPT, and we'll solve the problems. Yeah, fine.